Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change Hotmail account password. So let's get started. So if you want to change your Hotmail account's password, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Hotmail. And after searching for Hotmail, you'll come up to this page where you can tap on the second option which says Microsoft Outlook, personal email and calendar. So just tap on that option, and after tapping on that option, now what you have to do is you have to sign in your account. So just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in you have to enter your email address, then tap on next, and after entering your email address you have to enter your password and then tap on sign in. After doing that, now it will ask you if you would like to stay signed in. So if you want to do that, you can just tap on yes. If you don't, you can tap on no. So after doing that, here you can see you have successfully logged into your Hotmail account. So Hotmail basically means Outlook. So those both are same. If you want to log into your Hotmail account, you have to log into your Outlook account. Now what you can do is to change your Hotmail's password, you just have to tap on your profile icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on your profile icon, now what you can do is just tap on my profile. After tapping on my profile, you can access your profile, and now to change password, what you can do is just tap on change password option which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on that option, now it will ask you to enter your current password in the first blank, then enter your new password in the second blank, and then re-enter that same password in the third blank. So if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot your password which is below current password. So just tap on forgot password, and after tapping on forgot password you can easily reset or recover your password by creating a new one. So you can also change your password in that way, or you can also change your password in this way that I am using. After entering your current password, you can enter your new password and then re-enter that same password which you have entered a new password. After entering all your details, you can just tap on save, and after tapping on save you will successfully change your password. So that's it guys, it's how to change Hotmail account password. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.